Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious Lemon Supreme Cupcakes from scratch. Now, all this is lemon cupcakes, and it's topped with a meringue lemon buttercream frosting. This recipe makes about 12 individual lemon cupcakes. It's just the right amount of lemon flavor. Absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your Lemon Supreme Cupcakes. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some Swanstown cake flour or all-purpose flour. You also need some sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, large eggs at room temperature, whole milk at room temperature, sour cream at room temperature, 1 medium-sized lemon, vanilla extract, lemon extract, butter extract, lemon instant pudding, some confectioner's sugar, some cream of tartar, and lemon yellow gel paste food coloring. You can also use liquid food coloring as well. And for your tools, you will need a citrus juicer, a zester or grater, a disposable piping bag with the coupler and the Wilton No. 1 M-tip, some cupcake liners, and to bake your cupcakes, you will need a 12-mold cupcake pan. And there we have it.
Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started with our dry ingredients first. In this medium-sized bowl with a mesh strainer, add 1 1/4 cups of cake flour or all-purpose flour, 2 or 3 teaspoons of the lemon instant pudding, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Sift all the ingredients into this medium-sized bowl. Stir all your ingredients together. Rinse 1 medium-sized lemon off with cold water. Here I have a zester. Zest the entire lemon. Cut the lemon in half. Here I have the citrus juicer. Juice only 1/2 of the lemon. Here I have a mesh strainer with a small container underneath it. Pour the squeezed lemon juice into the mesh strainer. And there we go. Now for your wet ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, add a half a cup of whole milk at room temperature, 1/3 cup of sour cream at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of yellow gel paste or liquid food coloring. And I'm going to swirl that into the liquid. I'm going to take my whisk and stir all the ingredients together. Alright, let's get started with the preparation of our cake batter. So in our stand mixer bowl fitted with the paddle attachment, you can also use a hand mixer as well. Add 1 1/2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened and at room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Turn your mixer up to the highest setting and mix this on high speed for 4 minutes. At some point during those 4 minutes, stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Start your mixer on a medium speed and add 2 large eggs in at room temperature, 1 at a time. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. We're going to alternate the all-purpose flour or cake flour mixture and the lemon milk mixture into the batter. We're only adding the dry and wet ingredients in here 2 separate times. We're not doing any measurements. Add the first amount of the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the first amount of the lemon milk mixture. Mix all the ingredients on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the second amount of the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the second amount of the lemon milk mixture. Mix all the ingredients on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl and the lemon cupcake batter is now ready. Add your cupcake liners into the molds of your cupcake pan.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees.
Here I have a disposable piping bag with the tip cut off. Add the prepared lemon cake batter into the piping bag and it's ready to go. Add the prepared lemon cake batter into each cupcake liner. Fill the cupcake liner about 3/4 up from the top. Shake the cupcake pan to make the batter even. Now they are ready to be baked. Place this into a preheated 325-degree oven on the middle rack. Bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, it's been about 20 to 25 minutes now. Remove your cupcakes out of the oven. Toothpick inserted into each cupcake should come out clean. Let this cool for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Alright, let's get started with making our lemon meringue buttercream frosting. So in this stainless steel bowl, separate 2 egg whites from 2 egg yolks. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. You're going to take the egg whites and place them into the stainless steel bowl and take the egg yolks and place them into a separate bowl. Add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Take a spatula and stir all the ingredients together. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Here I have 2 cups of simmering water in the small pot. I'm going to take the stainless steel bowl with the egg whites in it and place it on top of the small pot. I'm going to take my spatula and stir this continuously for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, I let this go for about 30 to 40 seconds. I'm going to remove the stainless steel bowl from the top of the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my fire off. Now here I have a thermometer. I'm going to check the temperature of the egg whites. The temperature should be about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. I'm going to take my spatula and stir all the ingredients together. Let this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's make the meringue. So in the stand mixer bowl, I've added my egg white and sugar mixture in there. And I fitted the stand mixer with the whisk attachment. Mix this on high speed for 5 minutes or until the meringue reaches stiff peaks. Alright, that looks good. As you can see here, the meringue is stiff peaks. If you have any issues with your meringue being runny, you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar and again mix it on high speed for about 2 to 3 additional minutes or until the meringue reaches stiff peaks. Add 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened and at room temperature, and 1 cup of confectioner sugar. Mix this on a medium-low speed until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened and at room temperature, and 1 cup of confectioner sugar. Mix this on a medium-low speed until combined. Once combined, turn your mix up to the highest setting and mix this on high speed for 2 minutes. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon instant pudding, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of yellow gel paste or liquid food coloring. Mix this on high speed for 2 minutes. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl and the lemon meringue buttercream frosting is ready. Now for a quick tip, if your frosting is runny, this is what you do. Take the bowl with the frosting in it, place it into your refrigerator or your freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove it out of your refrigerator or your freezer, place it back onto your stand mixer, fit it with the paddle attachment of course, and mix it on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Here I have a disposable piping bag with the tip cut off. Add the coupler inside the piping bag. From there I'm going to attach the Wilton No. 1 M tip, and I'm going to take the coupler screw and screw it in place. Add the disposable piping bag into this large cup. Add your lemon meringue buttercream frosting into the disposable piping bag. And it is ready. From there you're going to pipe the lemon meringue buttercream frosting on top of each individual cupcake. You're going to go into a circular motion, starting from the edge of the cupcake, going towards the center, like how you see here. And there we go, all done. And after that, the lemon cupcakes are ready to be served. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lemon Supreme Cupcakes, made by a New Orleans native. You can find this recipe, along with all of my other recipes, go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews.
Now I'm going to go ahead and try this cupcake here. Oh yes. Man, this cupcake is so good. It has a nice lemon flavor, not overpowering at all. Just the right amount of sweetness. Overall, very moist, very flavorful, soft, and delicious lemon cupcakes. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.